your girl Brianna Queen. If you're new to my channel, welcome.
Who doing your hair? Lord have mercy, how you doing?
I focus on easy beauty, simple DIY, as well as decor. In today's video, I am taking you guys behind the scenes as I edit my videos and I record. In my previous video, I showed you guys like my new background. Zoom out a little bit, but it does just make my background look a little better, as well as everything I use in my videos. In this video though, I'm sharing like my recording behind the scenes as well as some editing behind the scenes.
We're waiting.
Wait. If you're interested in growing your YouTube channel, I do have a free checklist. It's called the Ultimate Checklist to a Banging YouTube Channel. It is a free checklist for you. Just go to www.briannaqueen.com/free guide or click that link up above and you can get that free checklist. Now, let's go on to how I film. So I want to take you guys kind of like behind the scenes of how I record my videos.
So first thing your girl is doing is she is turning on all of her lights, her box light as well as her ring light. Then I'm going to bring my laptop to my station, and then I'm going to take my camera and add in the battery. Now if I'm sitting at my desk, usually I will use my plug-in battery, which I'll talk about a little later, but I also use like my regular batteries and ensure I have some backups. And I also make sure I have a SD card. You want to make sure you got your SD card cleared out and formatted, as well as a fully charged battery before you record your videos. And then also adding in my microphone. I do have a clip-in microphone and I prefer that one, but the battery is dead, so I'm going to be using this microphone instead. But I do definitely try to use a microphone, especially when I am recording with my Canon camera. And then I make sure that my camera is hooked up to my computer and I can see a quick view of it. If you watch my previous video, you guys know I like to add a light behind me because it helps for me not to look as flat, and it does add an extra dimension of lighting. And then last but not least, I do like to use my reflector, and this just helps to bounce light and just make me look brighter, make the quality of the video better. And I will link all these products I use down below in the description bar for you.
Okay, so I have pretty much everything set up, so I want to take you guys kind of behind the scenes on how I record. So this is the current setup, and I do have a video where I share like my lighting setup, but I have my two box lights as well as my ring light with a diffuser, and then behind me I do have that light, and I kind of like go more in depth in my decor video. So let's talk about how I record. So I like to use, when using a Canon, I like to actually plug it up to my computer, and I have my Canon and my mic, and then I have it plugged in, and then it's plugged into here, and then that way I can like see myself. And if you have a Canon, I highly recommend using the computer because it really does help. And you can like switch up the auto-focusing, you can change like the lighting. It's just really helpful having this. So I like to put mine on smooth, and then I like to do like auto, but you can definitely choose whichever settings that you want, but this is like really comes in handy. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna record my intro for you guys so you can kind of see like how I record my videos. Hey guys, it's your girl Brianna Queen. If you're new to my channel, welcome. I focus on easy beauty, simple DIY, as well as decor. So in today's video, and then from there, I'll usually stop it. And then I'll record again. So I'll record like a few sentences, then I stop. Hey guys, it's your girl Brianna Queen. If you're new to my channel, welcome. I focus on easy beauty, simple DIY, as well as decor. So in today's video, so by recording, saying a few sentences and then ending, when you go to edit your videos, it's going to make it easier for you because you don't have one super long video where you have to like keep going through it. And then also it's going to be like easier because it's almost like instant jump cuts. So that's one trick I definitely like to do when I record my videos, is I do like to say a few sentences, then stop. Record, say a few sentences, then stop.
What you're saying right now is very boring.
So let me try to explain this a little better then. So I am inside of Final Cut Pro right now, and as you can see, I have multiple clips where I am talking. So I can drag this clip in, then I can drag in the next clip, and I know those clips are going to go together. So it reduces the amount of cuts I have to do as well as the amount of listening. So I can see right here, okay, this is clip number one. I can take out that part with no sound, and then this clip number one and clip number two will go together.
Sentences and then ending, when you go to edit your videos, it's going to make.
And then also having these mini video clips, it makes it so much easier to add special effects. So I can add in text in between. I can also add in extra videos, as you guys saw when I add in the boring part. So it just really makes it easier to edit your videos and add in little special effects here and there.
We are interrupting this video to remind you that if you are not subscribed to my channel, go ahead and click the subscribe button. I mean, you this far in the video, you might as well click that subscribe button. I'll wait. Click it. All right, let's go ahead and get back to the regularly scheduled program. Okay, so I am using Final Cut Pro for my editing. And basically, I will record my videos, then I export everything into Final Cut Pro, and then so you can see all of my little clips that I have. I have already exported all of my footage inside of Final Cut Pro, so now it's time to edit. So this is the intro right here. So I can see like right here that it's basically like preparing for the camera. So I'll go ahead and I'll cut this part out. And I'll delete that so that I just have my intro right here. So then, hey guys, it's your girl Brown Queen. If you're new to my channel, welcome! So now I'm going to minimize it so it doesn't look so huge. And I'm going to go ahead and put in the second part. So right here, focus on Easy Beauty. So right here I say Easy Beauty. So Easy Beauty is doing lately is I like to add like little text special effects. So inside of Final Cut Pro, I do have multiple types of effects, and my favorite, hands down, is Lino FX, and then I also have a bunch of different texts that I was able to download from Envato Elements, and I'll link that down below. But basically, Envato Elements is awesome because I can literally like add in little stuff. So, for example, I could add in this if I wanted. On Easy Beauty, Simple DIY. If I wanted that to be on top. But maybe I just want like some text on top of my actual text. So I can just go in here and I can add in a little text as well. I focus on Easy Beauty, Simple D. So where I say I focus on Easy Beauty. So maybe I would have this more so like here. So that when I talk on Easy Beauty, Simple, it kind of aligns with it. This is what the footage you're watching right now looks like. And I have in my little special effects, my little text. I have an additional text. And then I also have the footage. So I prefer to have like little jump cuts. So right here, and then it jumps to another part, jumps to another part, jumps to another part. And by having like little mini jump cuts, it really helps to keep their audience's attention. So this is pretty much like a very basic how I edit my videos. If you guys want like a fully in-depth video on how I edit, let me know and I can do that for you. So there are all types of video editors out there. I used iMovie for a very, very long time. And then I also use Wondershare as well. If you're a beginner, you like special effects, definitely look into Filmora Wondershare. I will put that link down below, but it is an editing software that you can use. I used that for about a year. So I went from iMovie, then I graduated to Filmora Wondershare, then I graduated to Final Cut Pro. Now I used Final Cut Pro in college. I just couldn't afford it after college. I recommend when you are recording videos is you highly plug in batteries. This is going to save you so much time. It prevents me from having to constantly have backup batteries. And then another thing about this is back in the day, I'll be recording like a makeup video, right? And I'm like, do my makeup, then the camera would die. I have to get up, take my camera, take the battery out the camera, go get the other battery, put it inside, set it up all over again. It was a hassle. Whereas now your battery won't die because it's a charged in, plugged in battery. So I will link that down below, but I highly recommend getting the kind of batteries that you can like plug in so you don't have to have backup batteries and your batteries won't die, because having backup batteries, for one, it's annoying. And if you don't have a backup battery, it's even worse, because then if your battery dies, you have to like wait while the battery's charging. battery's charged, then you can go back and then record the rest, which is super annoying. And I have definitely been there as well. So yeah, you don't want to do that either. So this is how I film my videos, like my setup, as well as how I edit videos. So I'll talk to you guys in my very next video. Stay healthy, stay happy, stay beautiful, and stay blessed. Bye guys.